Good morning, all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all in this online interdisciplinary 1 week certificate course on apiculture. I am very much thankful to all the participants for their enthusiastic support and overwhelming response. Till date, more than 2,500 participants have been registered from different corners of our country. Once again, I welcome all respected resource persons, Professor Dr. S.S. Patil, Professor Dr. P.S. Salunke, Mr. M.R. Petkar, Assistant Professor, Mr. G.B. Pawar and Dr. M.M. Gadale. I have congratulated to the Department of Zoology that they have organized this wonderful activity in this COVID-19 pandemic. As we all are aware that the government of India decided to extend the lockdown period to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. This lockdown is very unproductive to teachers and academic fraternity as well as the peoples who are facing various problems to connect with students. Considering this fact, the Department of Zoology of our college thought over to convert this unproductive lockdown into academically productive and joyful by organizing online interdisciplinary 1 week certificate course on apiculture. Dear friends, you all are aware about the apiculture. The honeybees has been described as the most useful of all insects known to the human being because it provides man as well as other forms of life with basic services vital to their survival. This the insect has been able to do because nature has endowed it with the special organs which enable it to live a peculiar way of life. To understand the creature, a close study must be made of its anatomical structure which enables it and it alone to perform such functions as gathering and ripening nectar, collecting pollen and propels, producing wax, etc., and incidentally fertilizing the flowering plants. I introduce the parent institute Rayat Shikshan Sanstha Satara, which is the mother institute of Balwant College Vita. It is one of the leading educational institutions in Asia. The value of its contribution to education in general is enormously great, as it has from the very beginning tried all its best to lay emphasis on the education of the downtrodden, the poor and ignorant, who really form the major bulk of society. The founder of this institution, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Karmavir Bhaurao Patil, was a man of the masses who devoted all his mind and heart to the cause of their education. He had an incisive understanding of the social ills that best his times and fully realized the dire need of this spread of education. He believed that education alone could correct the social ills such as caste hierarchy, money lending, literacy, untouchability, superstitions, and social and economically inequality. Today, the Sanstha has been conducting 42 colleges, 7 training colleges, 438 secondary schools and 51 primary schools, including 9 English medium schools. It also conducts 33 pre-primary schools, 91 cosmopolitan hostels, 8 ashram shalas and 1 research institute. This unique institution is working devotedly in about 15 districts of Maharashtra and 1 district of Karnataka. A total of 17,000 employees are working in Sanstha. The total number of students receiving education are to the tune of 4 lakhs. The above figure speaks all the phenomenal progress and achievements of the Sanstha as which dreamed by Padma Bhushan Dr. Karmavir Bhaurav Patil. The Rayat Shikshan Sanstha along with the people's cooperation started Balwant College during 1963, owing to which the higher education has been made available for hundreds of students who are residing in the town Vita and the nearby area, whose right of the college education was by poverty, thus proved to be a great boon for them. The college has been named after the respected father of the greatest son of India, late Yashwantrao Chavan, the then Deputy Prime Minister of India, and has been this college has been affiliated to the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. The cumulative results of constant achievement in academics, extracurricular activity, and social performance of the college resulted in receiving re-accreditation at A level with higher grade points of 3.11 by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Bangalore. The college has received funding from various agencies like DST Feast and RUSA. Recently, college also receives ISO 9001 to 2015 certificate. With this brief introduction, once again, I welcome you all and wish you best luck for the online interdisciplinary 1-week certificate course on apiculture. Thank you.